Hey guys, today we've got 5 words which are wrongly pronounced and we'll learn what should be the right pronunciation. The first one comes as, so in British pronunciation it will be pronounced as almond, almond, and in American pronunciation we'll pronounce it as almond. L will sound there, but both the pronunciations are correct. So we need to add almonds in a daily breakfast. Almond. The word is chamber. This is chamber. This is not chamber. This is chamber. So doctors were discussing a very important topic in the chamber. Chamber. The word is now this is British will pronounce it coupon and Americans will pronounce it as coupon. So both are correct. We must grab enough coupons before going to the fete. Coupons. The word is develop. This is develop. Develop, develop, develop. So even the old age people need to develop their skills to understand the new technology. Develop. And the word is facility. This is facility. This is not facility. This is facility. So all the required facilities are available in the nearby market. Facility. So these are the words. Please correct them if you mispronounce them. Thank you.